Tonight, when it comes to fire danger, one particular spot in the East Bay is being described as a ticking time bomb. KPIX 5's Joe Vazquez on the irresponsible behavior that's prompting a new crackdown.
Here on Grizzly Peak in the Berkeley Hills, signs are up warning folks about the potential for wildfires. But officials say not everyone's heeding the warnings. It was a spectacular sunset under a clear sky, perfect for selfies. But as night falls, officials say the fun often involves illegal fireworks, bonfires, and other reckless behavior.
Knowing that the majority of those have been caused by people is definitely concerning.
The threat is real within this community.
Today, officials from Oakland and Berkeley reported there have been at least 8 small fires here since June 1st.
We are a ticking time bomb of sorts here. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.
We haven't seen the fireworks, but we've heard them. So we are in the Oakland Hills, in an area that was burned in the last big fire.
She's talking about the Oakland Hills fire of 1991. 25 people dead, thousands of homes destroyed. Officials say they're now beefing up nighttime patrols along the Grizzly Peak corridor.
Do not come up here at night. If you're up here during the day, you should not be smoking up here.
It's not a curfew, but officials say there's a new rule. There's no stopping in the turnouts along Grizzly Peak from 9 p.m. until 6 a.m. unless it's an emergency. Joe Vazquez, KPIX 5.